I'll be donating 100% of my $160,000 a year paycheck to charity.
Is that charity, by any chance, Domestic Violence Anonymous?
No, it's the Shane Cuthbert's Change the World Foundation. And what that'll allow me to do is it will allow me to hire a full-time personal assistant. It will then help me, it will double my, go around, look at me now. I'll imagine just having someone that is just dedicated to looking at me now. Updating my website and taking promotional pictures and videos and nominating me for all sorts of awards and things like that. It will take what I've been able to do myself and double it. So I'll just be looking at me now everywhere.